If you get this upload error when you are trying to upload the Facebook Reels, then I will guide you on how to fix this problem. So how to fix Facebook Reel upload error as you see it here on the screenshot. Now to fix this problem, just follow this step very carefully. The first step you need to do is check your internet connection. In most cases, if you have a bad internet connection, you'll be facing this upload error a lot. So you can try to restart your internet connection, maybe turn off your airplane mode, then turn it back on again. If you do so, but you're still facing again the upload error, then just cancel the upload and try to upload again. So you can try to cancel the upload and try to upload again. If you do so, but you're still again facing the same problem, even after canceling and uploading again, then let's go to another step, which is wait for a few hours and try again later, since maybe servers may be down. If there are Facebook servers or Meta servers are down, you'll also be facing this issue. So just try to wait a few hours and try again to upload later. So these are the best fixes for Facebook Reel upload error. Just make sure to check your internet connection. Also cancel the upload and try upload again. Also, you can wait for a few hours and try again later, since Facebook servers may be down.